So how can you make your iPad a different color, right? So how can you change the screen color? So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you never miss videos like this one. Okay, so there are more ways how you can do this. The most common ones are using the night shift and also the true tone feature. You can find it in the control center when you hold down on the brightness. And there, obviously, we have the dark mode, which inverts the black and white colors, and also the night shift, which will disable the blue light and make the screen look much more yellow. So this is what you might be referring to. Then there's also the true tone, which tries to set the color temperature and the colors based on your surrounding, I guess. I don't personally see that big of a difference, but I have it turned on anyway. However, if you specifically want to adjust the colors of your display, you can also check out the accessibility section of your settings app. Inside there, you can find the display and a text size, and part of this section, we have the color filters. So you can enable it, and if you pick, for example, the color tint, you can change the intensity and also the hue, right? So you can just make the screen completely blue, right? Or make it change to different color. You can still see and read everything that's going on the screen, but it's all tinted this way, right? For whatever reason you might want to do it, you can find it in here, or also choose these specific filters on your iPad as well, right? So this is how you can do this. Let me know in the comments below if you achieved what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and most definitely stay tuned by subscribing so you never miss these quick and straight to the point tutorials like this one. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.